There are disruptive changes sweeping across the world because of the fourth industrial revolution and rapid technological advances. There are jobs that do not yet exist and knowledge and skills that are not yet available in the curricula of many universities. We'll have to reimagine new models of learning and adjust the way we teach and learn.
Law, we can write that the concentration of OH- times the concentration
This is phosphorus, this is carbon. You're going gold now.
Yes.
Professor Loh loves diamond and gold.
We build software, build solutions to actually help our customers be more efficient as well.
We aim to be a leading global university that inspires and innovates for positive societal impact.
身体觉得好吗？
As the national university, NUS intends to be at the forefront of this revolution, to nurture leaders of society working together in the spirit of innovation and enterprise. We will embed lifelong learning in the NUS DNA to ensure that we create knowledge and value for Singapore and Singaporeans.
The NUS community is coming together to do good on NUS Day of Service. We need champions. Sign up as a champion to organize or lead an activity or participate as a volunteer in an activity that interests you. Register online today. NUS Alumni Relations will provide guidance and publicize your activity to garner participation. Put your skills and network to good use. Come and make new friends. Join us and make a difference.
Our world today is powered by engineering. From the biggest structures to the smallest systems, engineering is everywhere in our lives. Since 1955, we have nurtured generations of engineers with both technical skills and a desire to impact society.
NUS today is already one of the top universities in the world. And the mission is really to train the necessary manpower for Singapore's industry, as well as to do impactful research that will benefit society.
The faculty has talented and dedicated faculty members and researchers who are committed to nurturing engineer leaders and addressing global challenges through research, innovation, inspiration, and influence.
We have access to the best professors, the best facilities, and the best environment to succeed.
With the various global programs available, we're able to take learning beyond the Singapore context.
NUS is one of the few universities Cambridge has partnered with, and the reason why I decided to come here is because I could not only learn more about engineering, but also gain global perspective through experiencing different cultures.
One of the best parts has got to be the food, and Singapore has that in abundance with loads of different cuisines to try at every corner.
This global perspective has helped our alumni thrive wherever they are, regardless of industry.
NUS has always been the forefront of engineering technologies. NUS is able to prepare me to do groundbreaking technologies, from laparoscopy equipment to space plane demonstrator for Airbus. Keeping close ties with NUS allows me to appreciate the challenges faced by my global clients.
During my secondary school days, that was the age of the space race. Every day you heard about satellite launching, men orbiting the Earth, and so on, and that was really exciting.
Space projects to most people are something that is pretty out of reach, but for me, as an undergraduate student, to be involved in such a huge project, it's really a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And because of that, I'm really happy that I decided to join NUS.
The NUS Faculty of Engineering, a leading engineering school that innovates for a better future.
Dear graduates, my colleagues and I convey our warmest congratulations to you on this momentous day that marks the beginning of a new phase in your life. We share your joy and excitement as you embark on a journey to build a successful and fulfilling career as a professional engineer. Engineering is a very exciting and rewarding career. We use scientific principles to develop new technologies and to create new things, both large, as in megastructures, and small, as in nanoelectronics. Many things we enjoy and take for granted in the modern world are the creations of engineers. Thus, we have a proud history of contributing and making a significant impact on society. But more importantly, we have a wonderful future ahead of us. The world today faces many challenging problems that will require engineers to help solve or mitigate. Some examples are climate change, rapid urbanization, and the spread of infectious diseases. These are big and complex problems that require systems-level solutions. They also require us to work across disciplines, not just within engineering, but across to the social sciences, medicine, business, law, and many others. NUS Engineering is honoured to have been part of your learning journey in the last few years. We will be pleased to continue to partner you in your exciting learning journey ahead. As our alumni now, I encourage you to stay engaged with us and to play your part to help us educate future generations of engineer leaders. Once again, our heartiest congratulations to you on your graduation today and best wishes.
To the Civil and Environmental Engineering graduating class, my heartiest congratulations. You have obtained a valuable academic qualification that is a passport to your future, much of it through your own effort, intelligence, perseverance, and patience. I hope that NUS, and in particular, the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, has provided you with an adequate, enjoyable, and memorable training to smoothen your journey ahead. You should by now realize that learning is a lifelong process, and life is an experiential journey. Moving ahead with the appropriate mindset is essential, and contributing back to humanity will add meaning and joy as you tread your path. Do remain in contact with us and provide valuable feedback so that together we can enhance our education for the next generation of civil and environmental engineers. Last but not least, may I wish you all the best in your future endeavors.
Taking a step into somewhere new.
Filled with keen anticipation of the challenges ahead.
Straining on tiptoes, we try to see.
Where are we going?
When will we get there?
But with stirring dreams and nascent ambitions,
we begin to feel our way around and get to know people.
The ones we will be indebted to eternally, and the ones we will end up loving forever.
and slowly, we school ourselves in discipline.
And throw ourselves into the perfection of our professions.
And the love for our passions.
There is delight in every triumph.
And lessons learned from every failure.
Across borders and unseen boundaries,
every experience,
every interaction
develops and defines us.
Our heartiest congratulations to the graduating class. Today's event is an important milestone in your educational journey, and we are happy to celebrate this joyous occasion with you, your parents, your family, and your friends. I wish you the very best as you venture into a new, exciting phase of your life, and hope you will continue to excel in your endeavors. I'm also happy to welcome you to the NUS family as our newest alumni. As NUS alumni, you are also most welcome to return to campus anytime for our lifelong learning programs. These programs are specially catered for you to further develop yourself in your career. You are important to us, and we hope you will continue to remain engaged with your alma mater. Congratulations once again.
A journey is not a race.
It is a wonderful adventure.
will we get there?
For our sails are set for far horizons.
Ladies and gentlemen, the commencement ceremony is about to begin. Please turn off your mobile phones or switch them to silent mode. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise.
I declare open this ceremony for the presentation of graduates in the Faculty of Engineering. Please be seated.
Member of the Board of Trustees, Mr. Abdullah Tamugi, distinguished guests, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We are indeed honored to have Engineer Chua Tong Seng as our guest speaker today. Tong Seng is the Managing Director of Kisojivan Singapore Private Limited, a well-known consultancy firm specializing in geotechnical engineering works. He is a registered professional engineer, a specialist professional engineer in geotechnical engineering, as well as a specialist accredited checker. Tong Seng is highly experienced. His area of expertise lies in civil and geotechnical engineering. He was involved in numerous projects related to deep foundations and excavation, tunneling, underpinning, and land reclamation, both local and overseas. One of his most fulfilling projects was the construction of tunnels underneath the Marina Bay Station, which involved the underpinning of tunnels that utilized the innovative method of ground freezing. In addition, Tong Seng is highly respected in the industry. He is a member of the engineering expert panel of the Institution of Engineers Singapore, a board member of the Professional Engineers Board, and an industry ambassador of the Building and Construction Authority. He is also the current president of the Association of Consulting Engineers Singapore and a past president of the Geotechnical Society of Singapore. Tong Seng is an alumnus of the National University of Singapore, where he received his Bachelor of Engineering degree with first-class honors in civil engineering, as well as a Master's of Engineering. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Engineer Chua Tong Seng to the rostrum.
Members of the NUS Board of Trustees, Mr. Abdullah Tamugi, Dean of Faculty of Engineering, Professor Chua Ki Chiang, professors, distinguished guests, proud parents, and most important, above all, graduates of Commencement Class 2019. Good morning. When I was a student here in the late 80s, I could not have imagined that one day NUS Civil Engineering will be ranked top 10 in the world. This year, we are not just talking about top 10, but according to QS World University Rankings by Subject 2019, NUS Civil Engineering clinched second spot in the world, better than those from the Ivy League. I'm very proud and excited to learn of this achievement. Congratulations to NUS, Head of Department, and all the professors. Year 2019 is a special year. This year, Singapore commemorates bicentennial year. It has been 200 years since Raffles founded modern Singapore. This is the year the NUS Civil Engineering achieved its highest ranking in the world. And most importantly, to the commencement class of 2019, this is the year you graduated. Congratulations to all of you. This memorable year presents an extraordinary gift that will form a solid foundation on which you will build your next stage of life and careers ahead. On reflection, the highest world ranking does not happen by chance, but foresight of past department heads, collective wisdoms of Professor Kwek Sertong, and professors who planned well ahead of time for this transformation. They work hard to excel, not just locally, but globally. The graduates' competency and their contribution to the industry, resulting in happy employers, are the other factors that make the highest ranking a reality. I had the privilege of learning from 3 energetic professors during my research day in NUS. They graduated from top universities in the world. One of them, Professor Lee Fook Hao, developed and commissioned the NUS Geotechnical Centrifuge. This is the only geotechnical centrifuge in Southeast Asia, and he built it from scratch. Another is Professor Harry Tan. He prepares our undergraduates, and teaches practicing engineers to use advanced software to solve geotechnical problems, well ahead of many other advanced countries in the world. NUS is also blessed to have other distinguished professors like Professor K.K. Poon. They are well known internationally, and this has contributed to the success story. The construction industry in Singapore is healthy. The total contract awarded last year was $30.5 billion, a marked improvement from the $24 billion awarded in 2017. It signified that the construction demand of the built environment has turned a corner. The good news is that construction demand is expected to remain strong this year, and the same positive demand will be sustainable for the next few years. You can look forward to working in projects like North-South Corridor, MRT Cross Line, Jurong Regional Line, New Changi Airport Terminal 5, Tuas Megaport, Punggol District Park, expansion of integrated resorts, and many more. The world is changing at a faster rate than before. To address challenges faced by the construction industry in the future, the government agencies like the Building and Construction Authority, together with the public sectors, are working on an industry transformation map, ITM in short. This collective effort focuses on key areas, namely design for manufacturing and assembly, integrated digital delivery, and energy-saving green building. The aim is to exploit the advance of latest technology in construction work. This will be interesting, especially to millennials like you who are used to digital language and platform. Internationalization is another interesting frontier. There is a vision to transform Singapore as a center for excellence for built environment in Asia to capture regional and global opportunities. One of the ways to form collaborative alliance among local industry players to work together on overseas projects. Most of you have traveled a fair bit, either to learn or to see the world. I can see this is another area you might want to work to fulfill the curiosity and enthusiastic spirit in you. The professors have done their best to impart their knowledge. As your guest speaker on this wonderful day, I too would like to do my part and share with you some pointers that may be useful to you when you need to make choices in life. Since this is 2019, I'd like to offer you 9 pointers. First, wise men always said, build something bigger than yourself. If this resonates with you, there is a lot of opportunities out there to practice engineering. For me, civil engineering allows me to practice creativity and be involved in design and supervision of iconic structures like tall buildings and tunnels. I could proudly say to my family and friends when I drive them through a tunnel and say, I helped to build this structure, complex structure. You find fulfillment from your works and feel a sense of purpose on seeing your design become reality. You will get to practice what you've learned here and be involved in shaping the skyline of Singapore, creating connectivity for people when you're doing infrastructure projects or crafting the shape of Singapore if you're involved in reclamation projects. Second, continue to learn. Professors are always ahead of us. While teaching is the best way of learning, they advance their knowledge further through continuous research. 200 years after Raffles founded the seaport, Singapore continues to develop. It now has a world-class seaport and airport and is taking a step further in building megaport at Tuas and new terminal at Changi to future-proof. Go beyond your core expectation and specialize in your area of interest. This will allow you to go in depth and acquire new knowledge. Remember, the deeper you go, the higher you can build. Third, be grateful to your parents, professors, and those around you, your brothers and sisters. I can see they're all excited and ready with their latest smartphone to take a good picture of you when you come on stage later. Be good to your professors as they genuinely want you to learn as much and help you to get ready to face the world. Your parents worry for you when you stay up late night studying and when you're taking your exam. Most do not show it. You will know this when you become a parent one day, just like me. Show them the gratitude even though they did not expect it. So, I would like to take this opportunity to thank them on their behalf. Thank you, professors, and thank you, parents, for supporting Class 2019. Fourth, work for a good company. My company specializes in geotechnical engineering. It is known for 3 values: quality works, innovative, and willingness to share their knowledge. The parent company invented some special equipment that enable engineers to obtain accurate geotechnical data that conventional type could not do. We all know that data is a new oil, but this data has to be accurate. Every structure that engineers build will have to be founded on soil or rock. Therefore, we need to know this nature that we rely on in great detail. For me, I love geotechnical engineering. I like to share my experience so that more people could learn and admire the wonder of this nature. Therefore, I feel aligned with the company, especially when it allows me to help others solve their problems. So find a company with a clear sense of purpose and whose business mission aligns with yours. Fifth, be innovative. I have been an external examiner for some of the past final year projects and must say that I've seen high quality and innovative research works. I believe this year is as good, if not better. Keep up the good works. Recently, I just completed my most challenging project using ground freezing. This technique was used for the first time for a rail tunnel in the tropical city of Singapore. Innovation addresses people's needs and their challenges. As you make positive impact on people and community, you will feel a sense of fulfillment. Six, be kind, help others, and do charity. I'm certain you will do well in the future. Don't wait until you have accumulated certain wealth to do this. You can start small. Some call it micro-giving. What goes around comes around. Life Guru said, it is not what you have, but what you give that you find true happiness. Most will agree that happiness, besides acquiring knowledge, is one of our main objectives in life. Seventh, take your FE exam. I'm a board member of Professional Engineer Board. To be a registered professional engineer, you need to first pass the Fundamental of Engineering examination. Past data indicated that the passing rate is inversely proportionate to the number of years after graduation that the graduate took his exam. So Professional Engineering Board is mindful to give local graduates a head start. So take your exam early, and I hope to see more professional engineers from the class 2019. 8, collaborate. Collaboration is sometimes the best option and essence of life. I noticed that today, NUS is also collaborating with other universities like Delft University of Technology. Life is not a zero-sum game. Mathematics professor might not agree, but the whole can be more than the sum of individual parts. So collaborate and always works toward the win-win outcome. A good way to cultivate this skill is to join learned society like Geotechnical Society of Singapore, GSS in short. GSS was inaugurated in 2008, and Professor Leong Chun Fai is our first president. I personally learned a lot from him. You can also join the Association of Consulting Engineers, or ACES. We have youth wing that provide excellent platform for younger members to learn, interact, and network. Ninth, last but not least, exercise. Take care of your body because you need to do what you want to do. So do yoga, swim, or run. It can be hard work, a lot of sweat, but this will benefit us. So do what is right, not what is easy. That's the way to engineer your future. Thank you very much, and once again, my heartiest congratulations to the special class of 2019.
Mr. Presiding Officer, may I present the graduates on whom the following degrees have earlier been conferred. Doctor of Philosophy, Balaji Venkatachalam. Feng Liu Yang. Fu Jing. Guo Xiaozhong. Hua Wen. Jonathan Lee Tian En. Li Wen Xuan. Liu Xiaochen. Mao Fei Jian. Ng Hui Lung Daniel. Preeti Mishra. Jin Changbing. Greg Beijun. Raja Biswas. Ruchi Sharma. Sia Tek Tien Kelly. Tan Sui Hong. Teo Fu Chi. Wang Zhijie. Wang Zhuxin. Xie Dong. Yo Li Kian, Chang Jin, Chang Dong, Chang Xiaodong, Zhang Shezhen, Zhang Zheyong, Master of Engineering, Ahmad Tashrif bin Salman, Sean Chua Wei Zhong, Master of Science, Civil Engineering, winner of the Professional Engineers Board Gold Medal, Pan Ye, winner of the Continental Steel Gold Medal and Book Prize, Li Zhongxian, winner of the T.Y. Lin Medal and Book Prize, Ramesh Kumar, winner of the Sangyong Cement Medal and Book Prize, Sivapatha Kunam Pirashan, Abe Vikrama Gaya Kumari, Agawal Surabi, Simo, Elvin Leong Chi Wei, Arumuganathan Lopan, Brian Spear Wong Sun Chao, Chai Wan Ni, Chan Chen Sun, Chong Chi Ho, Chung Hai Ling, Chua Ying Hui Brenda, Chua Yong Nian, Chua Lai Peng, Dong Gun, Dong Wei, Evelyn Lau Yen Li, Fu Chi Chong. Fu Hai Long. Fu Jing Wen. Ganesha Murthy Gaja Mugan. Giovannius Adianto. Guo Jiawei. Han Su. Heng Shi Jia. Hu Xinping. Hu Yizhen. Jagadesh Mutura. Jayavira Patirana Helage Sujiwa Chandra Siri. Jaya Bala Chadiran Rigandan. Kanaga Lingam Sujantan. Kang Ki Yong. Kathy Yap Kai Chin, Chet Chen. Ko Yi Hong. Krishna Pillai Jaya Rasan. Quan Kok Huat. Quek Yong. Lee Chai Lin. Li Jiayi. Li Jinhen. Liang Jin. Lim Keng Lung. Lim Reiji Jaslin. Liu Huan Zi. Liu Jialin. Liu Lu Mei, Lo Ka Yi, Lo Chi Huat, Manikam Yuta Ya Raja, Mao Yi Yan, Makandaya Sukinan, Marcus Aditya Suya Wijaja, Muhammad Nasri bin Rahman, Moi Lai Wen Lemon, Nadaraja Krishna Gopalan, Niu Yingshui, Ng Maggie, Pamela Wong Quita, Pan E Kin Kin, Peng Jia Xin, Parampalam Pushparaja, Ponaya Nata Gopan, Premchand Nitin Kumar, Chin Sin, Quek Wu Xuan, Raja Arivanda Raj, Rajendran Rasti Shad, Ronald He Rongchin, Sanka Navasivayam, Samganathan Sanjeevan, Sivaratnam Mugundan, Shamungaratnam Kogul, Singaraya Klit Ruse Gitan, Singi Suyajaya Triputra. Sivananda Sundaram Satya Narayanan. Sivalingam Gokulan. Somasundaram Rintaran. Tan Chi Hui. Tan Chi Po. Tan Jia Hui. Tan Yin. Tei Ju Heng. Tei Yong Kan Vincent. Teo Wan Lin Jane. Tangaraja Suvaranaraja. Turai Singham Jayandan. Tiffany. Vasudevan Harish Kanan. Vijaya Kumar Jasitaran. Wang Jichen. Wang Zhiming. Wei Zhenyang. Wang Shiyan. Wang Xiyong. Wang Zhehao. Yang Jiahui Eunice. Yap Xian Mei. Yap Dong Lim. Ye An Ji. Yap Yi Jing. Yong Da Jian. Yang Yan Xiang Francis. Yuan Jingwei. Zheng Ming. Zhai Zhenlin. Zhang Manna. Zhang Reiter. Zhang Xinzhen. Zhao Xinye. Zheng Zhenqi. Zheng Xuan. Zhou Yimin.
Mr. Presiding Officer, may I present the graduates on whom the following degrees have earlier been conferred. Master of Science, Environmental Engineering, Achal Khat. Fan Han Lu. Fong Xing Yi. He Xing. Ho Jin Yan. Jonathan Wang Kit. Li Yan. Liu Xingren. Lau Siok Lan Christine. Nikesh, son of Radhakrishnan. Umang Kunha Shah. Wang Ming. Wang Chuan Xing. Wang Xiaoyi. Wang Zhaowen. Yang Ye, Yu Na, Yi Jia Qing, Zhang Shihan, Master of Science, Geotechnical Engineering, winner of the LMN Geotechnic Medal and Book Prize, Li Lianzhen, Chua Tak Sin, Chin Yao Wei, Darrell Chun Tiam Chai, Ganesu Piratus, Ho Kai Ming, Hong Xiaoping Michelle, Hu Jing Yi, Jun Yap Chun Hong, Lokanatan Nishantan, Mangareswaran Sankar, Yuan Chun Hui, Ning Jian, Pirosana Chandran, Reshan Shavaratnan, So Jin Jian, Salvaraja Anojan, Salvaraja Salvachandan, Xiao Zhi Yi, Shi Wan Lei, Sundaran Yadav Atiravichandran, Tan Cui Tuan Maria, Tan Yen Hong, Tan Tan Wai, Tuan Minh U, Usha, daughter of Kumaran, Wu Chai Shi, Xie Chi Ling, Yogarasa Devanasan, Julius Halim Gunawan, Zhang Xiao, Zhang Zibo,郑之健，Master of Science, Hydraulic Engineering and Water Resources Management, Awena Jerry, Lim Jing Wen, Lim Mei Jin, Wang Pui Yi, Zhang Yanan, Master of Science, Offshore Technology, Chaudhary Abdullah Singh, Sappa Singh, Fang Di, Hong Jiande, Lai Hao Fei, Li Si Ying, Leong Jing Ding, Yang Jin, Yang Yifan, Zhang Peng, Zhi Kegang, Zhu Yan, Master of Science, Transportation Systems and Management, Huang Shidong, Lo Jia Bing, Li Yan Shen, Lim Jin Se Michelle, Muhammad Reha bin Muhammad Said, Muhammad Farid bin Maslan, Chin Jin Jiao, Vashish Navaran, Concurrent Degree Program, Master of Science Project Management, Bachelor Engineering Civil Engineering, Zhang Yizhong, Bachelor of Engineering Civil Engineering. Winner of the Continental Steel Gold Medal and Book Prize and Singapore Concrete Institute Medal and Book Prize, Adrian Yi Jia Chen. Winner of the Master of Science Construction Engineering class of 1977 Silver Medal, Peary Prize, and Global Engineering Program undergraduate, Zhong Tian Yang, Clarence. Winner of the Yongnam Medal and Prize, Chato In Sutra. Winner of the NUS JTC I3 Center Innovation Medal and Prize Engineering, Dale Lee Chen Wei. Winner of the ACI Singapore Chapter Medal and Prize, Fan Tan Kai Ling. Winner of the IES iStruct-E Medal and Book Prize, Wang Xing-en. Winner of the Outstanding Undergraduate Researcher Prize, Li Yao Chen Xavier. Global Engineering Program undergraduate, Boris Tiong Wee Yao. Anthony Tantra. Ao Eugene. Charlotte Yi Wen Yan. Chen Ling. Jiu Wen Jie. Jiang Xiong Wei Albert. Jiu Jing Kai Brian. Trân Kha Kim Bernard, Zhong Xiao Ying Joanne, Clarence Chan Jia Le, Del Rosario Abilene Joy Leasing, Dis Bikram, Fang Jiaqi, Feng Zixian Jolin, recipient of the NUS Sports Awards, Go Kunwei David, Gu Shen Yi,
Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to bring you a message from the Office of Alumni Relations.
We all can't wait for that milestone grad trip. Or simply relax, our favorite pastime. You are probably dreaming about being the next Singaporean astronaut. Armed with our knowledge and ideals, we're so ready to take on the world until real life hits us. Once we get busy with work and friends, it seems a lot easier to just unsubscribe and forget about our ties to school. But wait, are we too quick to forget NUS? What does being an NUS alumnus really mean to us? Well, it's a chance to make meaningful connections and learn about what's happening in the industry. It's an opportunity to meet like-minded people and make a difference to the world around us. It's a reason to come together and celebrate our achievements. Because once an alumnus, always an alumnus. So come on and show your support by joining one of our many alumni events or groups. Like our page to get useful updates. Check out upcoming events and find out all you need to know about alumni-related happenings. So think twice before missing out on what's happening at NUS and interesting stories on what your fellow alumni are doing. Let's take pride in being an alumnus and stay connected.
Mr. Presiding Officer, may I present the graduates on whom the following degrees have earlier been conferred. Bachelor of Engineering, Civil Engineering, Hang Su Hui. Hazel Yap Si Hui. He Zan Zing. Ho Si Chi. Hong Yu Ting, Huang Lan, Jia Yi Ting, Jiang Fa Yuan, Jonathan Lee Rong En, Ke Chiu Guang, Kim Tae Jun, Lee Sharon, Lee Wan Tian Felix, Lee Yi Hao, recipient of the Student Life Award, Lim Guo Hao, Lim Jia De, Lim Jia Qi, Lim Jun Guang Justin, Lim Yu Shen, Lim Zhe Feng Douglas, Lim Zhi Yuan, Lin Li, Liu Li, Ma Jingling, Mark Wai Min Grace, Momo Kai Zing, Muhammad Iskandar bin Ishaq, Muhammad Amin bin Isha, Muhammad Nahakim bin Muhammad Na, Musifa binti Ramzan, Natalie Lin Xuan Ting, Ng Man Wing, Ng Man Jun, Ng Wee Ping, Ng Wei Sin, No Amalina binti Anwar, Nozaza Lina binti Maslan, Pan Long Pai, Pan Sing Ting, Peng Xiao Ran, Phyo Tan Ong, Priscilla Chan Sing Yu, Xia Si Sing, Shannon Ong Si Hui, Shepperson Keith Michael, Shi Wen Yi, Stacy Lo Li Ting, Tan Hong Ray Joel, Tan Yen Ling, Tae Han, Tae Jun Hao Andre, Teo Eun Wee, recipient of the Student Life Award, Teo Sing Yu, Teo Yong Chien, To Ai Yong Colin, To Kai Yang, To Wei Chai, To Xun Jing, To Zhen Yao, Wang Haode, Wang Mingkang, Wee Po Sien, Wong Liang Ning, Wu Xue Fei, Si Chong, Xu Ling Yu, Yap Hong Ling, Xu Xin Xin, Yulian T, Zhang Xingdi, Zhang Moran, Hong Kai Yuan, Ishani Nakpoka, Lam Zhiwei Max, Lim Yue Ying, Ling Hua Sit, Min Kan Wang, Muhammad Nasru bin Kamaldin, Nuswan bin Iswan, Bachelor of Engineering, Environmental Engineering, winner of the Environmental Engineering Society of Singapore Medal and Sembcorp Medal and Prize, Goh Jing Chie. Winner of the Lee Kuan Yew Gold Medal and IES Gold Medal, Sonia Balamurugan. Winner of the Sembcorp Prize, Cheng Yuan Han. Winner of the Sembcorp Prize, Kenneth Chua Jian Zhe. USP Scholar, Diana Tay Hao Ming. Amira Hanis binti Taufik. Avnika Manak Tala. Brenna Sim Chien Ting. Recipient of the NUS Sports Award and Student Life Award, Brian Lo Jian Hua. Karin Lim Jie Sin. Chan E. N. Amabel. Chan It In. Chong Ziming Nicholas. Chua Jia Chun. Daniel Ng Chi Wei. Yi Lun Sin. Recipient of the Student Life Award, Felix Teo Yi Hao. Feng Zhiheng. Guo Jun. Ismail bin Osman. Jason Tan Jun. Jeremy P. Teng Kyong. Joanne Chin Yen Teng. Kenneth Tay Tong Ling. Kezia Natama. Ko Wei Lin. Recipient of the Student Life Award, Ko Yang Chat Hao Jowin. Lai Zhe Ting Nicholas. Larry Mo Chui Si. Li Jing Ting. Li Wan Yun. Li Xing Jie. Li Si Yu. Liu Suo Ren. Lim Jia Yuan. Lim Han Chun, Lim Zi Xuan, Pang Ji Yang, Chen Tui Ning, Si Pei Ling, Shi Zhu, So Si Yi, Sultan Selvam, Tan Ting Fang, Tae Ching Lee, Tai Bao Nok, Timothy Lee Ren Yi, To Ye Xuan, To Zi Yun, Zheng Wei, Vincent Ong Jing Kai, Vivian Lau Wen Ya, Wong Wai Yen, Yap Jia Ji, Yu Yi Jeremy, Chan Wai Hon, Chen Ming De,
Mr. Presiding Officer, may I present the graduates on whom the following degrees have been earlier conferred. Doctor of Philosophy, Deng Jinyu. Joseph Kinyanjui Muriri Bruri. Lee Bichen. Pua Kia Chai. Kang Bao Shan. U Hai Jun. Yan Rui Ting. Yung Hang Yao. Yu Xiao Xian. Yu Zimeng. Zhu Jing. Master of Engineering, Ko Lee Jian Jessica. Master of Science, Materials Science and Engineering, Chu King Hei. Gong Meng. Li Kai Peng. Liu Mengqi. Lo Zhengyang. Pan Ziyu. Sung Wan Yi. Siligia. Xu Shanshan. Yao Liangsong. Zhu Huayu Jaden. Double DD program, Bachelor of Engineering, Material Science and Engineering, Bachelor of Science. Christo Nugraha Line. Bachelor of Engineering, Material Science and Engineering. Tan Hui Ning. Winner of Lee Kuan Yew Gold Medal, IIES Gold Medal, and Materials Research Society Singapore Medal, Tan Hui Ning. Anekant Jain. Ang Yang Xuan Crystal. Ang Yong Kwan. Bruce Lim. Brian Lee Zhong Cheng. Cham Man Wen. Chan Cheng Wai. Cha Wen Bin. Chan Hong Yu. Chen Xian. NOC program, Chia Yi Yang. Chong Shu Yao. Colin Yang Jiahui. Crispin Tan Sek Tong. Do Ti Bit Hui. Glennis Jocelyn Susanto. Ignatius Tan Cheng Tat. Indra Raditya Gunawan. NOC program, Jaipal Singh Kaira. Jiao Yang. Ko Chuang Huang Justin. Conway Sheng. Lai Yong Sheng. Lee Peng Ju. Lim Joel. Lim Ye Xiang Roger. Lo Chuan Ji. Muhammad Haziq bin Adnan. Muhammad Isa Zain bin Haji Shah Aril Zain. Ni Sing Tuk. Ong Sin Yi. P. Kai Ting. P. Jai Wen. Pning Tai N. Daniel. Raymond Laurus. Shaufi Sufyan B. Mont Indra. Charmaine Lee. Song Chi Hin. Tan Hong Yan. Tan Ji Ning Geraldine. Teo Zi Hao Aaron. NOC program, Udayagiri Vishnu Saran. NOC program, Wu Chuan Min. Recipient of the NUS Sports Award and Student Life Award, Wang Nuo. Wang Yannan. Wu Shangrong. Wu Tingfeng. Yi Xinan. Yong Pei Wen. Chang Pin Zheng. Chang Ziyu. Tai Yinghui.
The valedictorian for this ceremony is Mr. Kenneth Tay Tong Ling. He graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Engineering, Environmental Engineering with honors. Kenneth served as president of the Environmental Science and Engineering Students Club and acknowledged as a servant leader, always seeking to improve the lives of his peers. He initiated multiple bonding events and established strong ties with alumni to help students to prepare better for the future. Kenneth sees sustainability and climate change as important societal issues. For his final year project, he worked alongside an industry leader in sustainability to understand the adverse impacts of climate change affecting local farms in Singapore. He has co-written a position paper on plastics, leading to pledges and launches of sustainability initiatives from several local leading organizations to get locals to use less plastic and reduce waste. May I now invite Mr. Kenneth Tay to deliver his speech.
Mr. Abdullah Tamugi, NUS Trustee, Engineer Tua Tong Seng, Managing Director, Kiso Jiban, Singapore Private Limited, distinguished guests, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all. It is truly an honor to be up here today to be speaking to all of you as this year's valedictorian. So I would like to start off by saying, congratulations class of 2019, we have made it. Frankly, as much as I've been told that being a valedictorian is such a great honor, my friends kindly left out the part on how terrifying it would be to be delivering a speech to an audience that want nothing more than to just get out this hall. So I'll do my best to keep things short. It has been said that the most beautiful moments always seem to accelerate and slip beyond one's grasp, just when you want to hold on to them for as long as possible. And these 4 years with all of you here has been filled with so many of such beautiful moments. At this moment of departure, although I'm sure we will still see one another in the years to come, let us take this opportunity to revisit the beautiful moments we have shared in NUS. Going back to our freshman year, everything was all there. The most vivid memories were of us having fun at orientation camps, sharing good laughs, feasting on late night suppers, and frantically trying to figure out how course worked. What a lost cause that one was. We also built new bridges of friendships, and quite literally, built a bridge that gave us all a first-hand taste of the NUS nightmare, education, that truly sets the precedent for the coming years. Moving into our second year, just as new friendships grew, our knowledge in engineering to develop as we began to learn the key disciplines of our majors. Thinking about those times, I must say, it's quite a miracle that we survived all those turbulent lessons of hydraulics, the complexities of wastewater engineering, and the mind-bending derivations of thermodynamics. On the flip side, we also had our equal share of fun, as it was our turn to host the orientation camps for the incoming freshmen. To top it all off in second year, I personally had a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to travel to Yunnan, China, working alongside 2 brilliant professors, Prof. Chin and Prof. Xu, and a group of my closest friends to develop a transformative master plan for a rural mountainous village. A truly remarkable experience, and one might ask if the master plan worked. Well, I'm going to say it will, because as we always say, trust me, I'm an engineer. Going into our third year, we all tasted some degree of freedom, as overseas exchange dawned and our industrial attachments, or IA as we call it, began. I believe I speak for most when I say that the IA was truly a valuable experience, because it gave all of us an eye-opening experience to what the real working world has to offer. The IA also provided us an opportunity for us to dive deeper into projects and research that could bring about real impact and positive change to society. I, for one, was fortunate enough to experience and deliver such change through the many projects that I was part of, and this spurred me on to further the work that I have done. With the strong support and encouragement from the department and my professor, mentor, Professor Hu Jiangyong, I continue working with my IA company to deliver my final year project. I know for a fact that I am not the only one bestowed with such an opportunity. And this bears testament to the strong support and flexibility within the NUS curriculum that we are all very grateful for. Moving to the endgame of our university journey, our final year, I believe that everything that we have achieved thus far can be encapsulated in the Chinese idiom of 先苦后甜, which means to relish the fruits of our labor. It is truly a feat that we have all survived the endless late nights, running simulations for design projects, grinding out lab reports, and simply rushing to finish our thesis. Now, having survived all that, we have gathered here today, scrolls in hand, finally relishing the sweet success of our labor. But let us not forget that all of this would not have been possible without an entire community of people that have supported us through this journey in NUS. First and foremost, let us give thanks to our parents and loved ones, the people who have never stopped nagging, scolding, yet loving us no matter our cap. To my mom and dad, little Keith and dearest Rachel, thank you all for being my pillars of strength and supporting me throughout this journey. Next, to our distinguished professors and tutors, some of whom are also graduating with us today, thank you us for teaching us engineering and giving us the hardest of problems, be it designing a wastewater plant, building roads and structures, or simply redesigning a brick. It is only through solving such problems and having a wisdom bestowed upon us through the watching of many webcasted lectures. Thank you, professors, for letting us skip your 8 AM lectures. That we have grown to become such competent engineers. So please, let us give a round of applause to thank all our professors and tutors for making engineering such a beautiful learning journey for us all. Let us also not forget the unsung heroes that have been with us from the beginning till the end. The department staff of the CE office, MSE office, and NUS administration, thank you for supporting our students from behind the scenes and sending us those brown admission packages that started the journey to get us here today. Please join me in giving them a round of applause. Lastly, to my fellow graduates, my friends, I can't thank you enough for all the support, encouragement, and inspiration they have bestowed upon me throughout these 4 years. From the bottom of my heart, the greatest takeaway from these 4 years went beyond the knowledge or accolades. It was really the beautiful friendships that I forged with all of you that really mattered. So, thank you all. So, to close off, I think it would be appropriate to use the acronym of my CEE department and leave you with 3 points for inspiration. Firstly, create your purpose, because life is full of crossroads, and you need to know what you want in life to get to your destination. Secondly, evolve with your experience and be ready to learn, unlearn, and relearn, because the world as we know it is rapidly changing. Lastly, employ what you have learned to make a positive impact in the lives you live, because as an engineer, you don't just solve problems, you have the ability to make things better. And to summarize these 3 points, they can be simply remembered as the acronym CEE that I'm sure will be etched to our hearts and minds for many years to come. So, I hope to be CEEing all of you successful in your careers and bringing momentous change to society. Once again, congratulations class of 2019. We have made it.
Dear graduates, as we come to the end of today's ceremony, we would like to extend our heartiest congratulations to you on your commencement. We warmly welcome you to the NUS alumni family.
Well, it is my pleasure to declare this ceremony closed. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem.
As we remain standing, my fellow graduates, this is a proud day for us and for our parents and loved ones who have supported us in our journey here. Therefore, before we leave this hall, let us take this opportunity to show them our appreciation and end off with a round of applause. Please join me in this gesture.
Congratulations, class of 2019.